Hello guys and welcome to Think So. Have you ever waken up out of a bad sleep and find that you're unable to move any part of your body? You have a crushing feeling in your stomach and your heart pounds fast. Well, that's not a scene from a horror movie. It is a fairly common sleep disorder and it's called sleep paralysis. Sleep paralysis is a state during waking up or falling asleep in which a person is aware but unable to move or speak. Almost 8% of the general population has experienced sleep paralysis at least once. During an episode, one may hallucinate, which often results in fear. Although it lasts less than a couple of minutes, it can be a very frightening experience. However, it is usually harmless, especially if it only happens rarely. But why does it happen? So, the paralysis part of sleep paralysis actually happens every night, even if you are not aware of it. REM sleep is the state that takes up to 25% of your typical night sleep. During REM, your brain is quite active and it is when most dreaming happens. While your brainwaves may be very active, your body is paralyzed during REM, and this is your body's way of preventing you from acting out your dreams. So basically every night during REM you are paralyzed. Sometimes though the veil between sleep and wakefulness becomes thin, and you find yourself in both places at the same time. You are awake while you hallucinate and process emotions. This usually comes along with a pounding heart and fear, so no wonder why people often describe this as a monstrous attack. Also, those with narcolepsy, anxiety, panic disorder, social anxiety or post-traumatic stress disorder may be at a higher risk for a sleep paralysis. If you belong in any of these categories and you find yourself experiencing this phenomenon often, please seek medical help. Overall, sleep paralysis is normal and not something to worry about. However, there are a few things you can do to improve your sleep and decrease your chances of having sleep paralysis. I have made a video exactly for this topic and you can find it in the description below. So that's it for today guys, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel where we upload new educational and motivational content every week. Until next time!